Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and assembling documents, because that clears the administrative roadblock fast. Once done, register for the Aiims entrance and pay fees to lock your slot. Missing deadlines wastes months. Make a 12-week study plan focused on physics, chemistry, biology, and general knowledge. Schedule daily 3-4-hour blocks and weekly full-length mocks. This immediate structure creates momentum and prevents last-minute cramming. So act now and treat registration plus your plan as the first tasks. You now focus on building depth and technique. Break subjects into core, high-yield topics and allocate study blocks accordingly. This organizes effort around exam patterns. Use active recall and spaced repetition flashcards to cement facts, and spend 60-90 minutes daily on biology problems since they carry heavy weight. Then, take 2 full mock tests weekly to practice pacing. Review each mistake and maintain an error log for weak topics. By iterating study, testing, and targeted revision, you convert knowledge into reliable exam performance. You reach the final stretch with focused revision and calm execution. In the last 2 weeks, shift to concise high-yield notes and timed mocks to sharpen speed and accuracy. Make sure to simulate exam conditions. The day before, check documents, pack essentials, and prioritize sleep. Do not learn new topics. If your mock scores remain low, troubleshoot by spending 3 intensive days on your weakest 2 topics with targeted practice. This concentrated fix often yields quick gains and reduces last-minute anxiety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.